Wednesday morning. Yeah, sun's kind of working on it. It'll be up in a while. I got a kick out of it. Weather app on my phone says that it is 47 degrees this morning in Hillsboro. Ah, there's the moon. We get a line in the screen across it. It's not really there. It's 31 degrees here. I don't know how it can be 47 in Hillsboro and 31 here. They say it feels like 48. I don't know how that works either. I think the weather app's kind of messed up this morning. Oh well. Shouldn't be cold enough to have affected the water that's on. There's enough animals drinking to keep it moving. I'll know later. It's early enough, it's still gonna get a little colder. But it ain't bad if it just gets down and kisses like 28 or 26. It ain't bad. If it gets down there and stays there for a few hours, that's when we freeze up. So. Oh, I'm gonna go to my warm spot. See if I can start figuring some other pieces. First two laid out. There's the shape it needs at the bottom here. I'll get around here. There's the shape of the bottom. Fit right in there, I hope. Decide which way I want to do this. Take it all off the edges, because I won't have too much left. But I think I will, that way they'll match. Not that there's going to be any different, really. I'll just have 2 holes on 2 to fill, and I guess 2 holes on the other 2 by the time I knock that bolt out of there. Because I doubt that bolt's going to come out. I might just cut it off flush and then throw some weld on it and grind it down. Who knows? We'll see. But, yeah, get these 2 cut. Make sure they're going to fit. Get the other 2 cut. Okay, finally ready? Boy, that was a good shot, wasn't it? Ron's got a seal in his hand. And hey, the new Making It Happen said SKF and I said CR. Yeah. If you look at that box, it says CR and SKF. See? Look at, get the right spot. We got glare. There we go. SKF and CR. So, there's 4 gussets all cut. Holes are filled. I got to grind them off. And while I'm grinding, knock all that freaking paint and rust off. And knock some strips of paint out in the rims, so I got something to weld to. Easy to find where I got to do it though. Just follow the black marks. Right there, right there, right there, and over there. So hopefully I get this done today.
I had to because
it ended up being kind of a long lunch.
Right when I did it.
I don't know if it was too much good food or what,
I almost
but
didn't get back in on what.
my eyes been trying to roll back in my head.
I put it jammed.
Oh yeah, and look, it's bright out. You can't see out that way, but you can't see out that way. It's bright out. The door's open for a reason, because it's 60 degrees in here and it's 53 degrees outside, and the stove's turned off. Look, I got Ron on the ground. Hey look, brand new seal. And my phone starts vibrating like crazy. Yep, you're right. Ron's gonna have sex with the seal. It's like he's down at the beach Checking out all the seals. No, always a good idea to smear a little around those things. That seal actually has a bead of grease in the middle of it. It's a double-edged seal. But you still got to get this to start without damaging the seal. And that's always my preferred direction to go. So, yeah, we'll see how good he is. Yeah, good thing is those splines don't care. Good thing he's got his sledgehammer hands, because I think there's enough crud in the splines that it's kind of getting in the way. I don't think it came off that hard, but different set of splines is all. Can't be too far off though, unless she's a 180. Hey Ron, this side rolled in. That's what we got to watch for. That's a pain in the butt. Yeah, I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna see if I can help him with that. Hi Ron.
Good night.
Debating on what to do yet. They're all in there. And looky, Ron got that all back together. I ended up helping him a little bit. The seal wanted to lip under instead of coming out. Took a few minutes. But this is pretty much done. I'm debating if get it laying on the bearings on the sawhorses so I can spin it. Or I put the extra weld. Do I just go ahead and finish that all the way down the shaft or leave it the way it is? I don't know. But all the gussets are on now. Oh, how cool it is. It's still, yeah, I'm not going to hold my hand there very long. I could probably hold on to that for a couple of minutes, but not worth it. So, clean it up and say, I'm debating. I may go ahead and add the extra weld to it just because, make it look prettier, and then get it cleaned up and get it painted. And of course, local general store, they didn't get a new supply of paint in. They had 3 cans of the gloss black left, so this thing might be all gloss black. I don't know. I might have enough of the semi-gloss to do a top coat. We'll find out. But hopefully get this thing painted tomorrow. It can sit here on the frickin' sawhorses for a couple days. Then see if Ben will come out and have dinner Saturday or something and throw it back on. Then I'm going to have to rig up a stand for it for when it's not on the buggy. I'm thinking a pallet with pieces up on the side to set the bearings on. I don't know. We'll see. The way it works, I mean, there's enough room I can pick it off with pallet forks. Has plenty of room there for a pallet fork to pick up on the shaft and then set it onto something. So, anyway. Oh, yeah, clean the mess up in here tomorrow, too. Not like I haven't done any cutting and grinding and welding. And, you know, at least we got some stuff put away. Got the plasma put away and a bunch of tools. But anyway, like they say, and I've been pretty good at this showing you, too. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Well, yeah, it was here a couple minutes ago. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And hopefully, next time you see this, it'll be painted.